The Triumph Daytona was first introduced in 1966 as part of Triumph's efforts to deliver a sports bike that could compete on both the racetrack and the highway. The name Daytona itself was inspired by Triumph's victory at the Daytona 200 race in the United States. Since then, various Daytona variants have emerged, from the Daytona 600 and 955i in the early 2000s to the most memorable model, the Daytona 675, which was launched in 2006. Each generation brought improvements in technology, performance, and design, making the Daytona an icon in the world of supersport. Models like the Daytona 675, with its unique three-cylinder configuration, became fan favorites and competitive racing machines. The Daytona 675 successfully combines the agility of a small displacement motorcycle with the power and character of a three-cylinder engine. Its success in various racing events, including British Supersport and the Isle of Man TT, cemented its reputation as a high-performance bike. Although Triumph has yet to officially revive the Daytona in a large-capacity version, the desire among fans remains strong. The dream of a modern Daytona with a 1,000 cubic centimeters or more engine is still very real. Many hope Triumph will come up with a new supersport variant that can compete directly with superbikes from Japan and Europe. The longing for the Daytona's signature blend of sleek design and savage performance lives on in the global sport bike community. Thanks to French manufacturer S2 Concept, that dream is now closer than ever. S2 Concept has developed a complete fairing kit that drastically changes the look of the post. 2021 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS or RR into a silhouette that closely resembles a modern Daytona. Although these changes are cosmetic in nature, their presence provides a glimmer of hope and visual satisfaction for Daytona lovers. With its sharp and aggressive design, the fairing kit not only enhances the look, but also reinforces the Speed Triple's racing identity, signaling that the Daytona's soul hasn't been completely extinguished.